What are those? Alright guys, welcome back. So I've got Cory in here with me today, and what we are working on is something we've never done before. Fiberglass. It shouldn't be that hard, so we're just going to dive right into this. Picked up some resin, picked up some glass, and we are going to give it a go, so stay tuned. So basically what we got here is some fiberglass resin. This I'm hoping is the right hardener. I found this. It says liquid hardener, so we're gonna use that shit. Some sea glass cloth, and this I'm gonna use on the outside of it after we do the back. So this right here is what we're gonna be fixing today. It wasn't this bad. I think his wheels just from drifting, right? Yeah, tire popped, and then the tire just smacked it. So the tire popped and kept smacking it, and over time it just got worse and worse and worse. So because of Corona, we're gonna address it today. We're literally just going to fix this crack. Like I really could give a shit less about that. I just want it to be one piece. I'll probably sand that out and make it smooth. So something that we were working on last year was making custom center caps for wheels. This is a rough draft of it right here. We have that one that says Asphalt Cowboyz with our logo, but we are also thinking about making custom ones for everybody else. If you would be interested in that, definitely leave a comment down below and kind of give us ideas if you want, something that you would like to see. Quick release. This right here is the first crack that we're going to try and address. There are some other parts that we would like to get to, especially on the passenger side. He had a little bit of a party foul right here. This spot and this spot are also going to need addressed on the driver's side. So we went ahead and we took both sides off the car. She's looking kind of naked, but she'll be all fixed up here shortly. These are 50mm Super Doof Overfenders. It looks like they're from 2M Performance. So Tommy's gonna go ahead, get their air all hooked up to the DA, and then we're gonna go ahead and sand this. I'm basically just gonna take some 180 on, put it on this DA here. I'm gonna scuff the back side, and then that'll give it something good to adhere to. Throw some resin down on it. We're gonna mix this here and this. We're gonna take this, cut some strips. So we got the first side sanded up, ready. Tommy's now getting the fiberglass cloth ready. He's just gonna cut some strips. Shit, you could use that to sleep with. If you ever go camping and you need a blanket, now you know. Sea glass fiber cloth. We need about this big of a strip. Alright, so basically you just want a piece that's big enough to cover your damaged area. You want to make sure your damaged area is clean, obviously. I could probably trim that down, but I'm going to just clean that up. I'm going to throw that on there. I'll cut a couple more of these. I just cut up some fiberglass sheets the size of the damaged area, and we're just going to glass it. It's my first time. Make sure you clean it. Clean your shit.
Clean your shit.
Clean your shit, bro. Alright, so first timer here. So enjoy this.
Wait, shake it up.
Why?
I don't know, I feel like you should shake it up.
I hope it's still good. Like, I don't know if it's good.
I don't know, I just feel like you should
It's
shake it
old.
up.
It's been sitting for a very long time. Like, it's one.
Oh,
fuck, it's blue. That shit came out. Okay, I think that's a good start. Very nice. So, I don't know what you mix this to, it should say. Mixing. Add 14 drops. 1 ounce of fiberglass.
about 2 ounces right there.
So put 25 in there?
Judging by my scale.
Mix that shit. I've got this paintbrush here. To like spread it. I'm gonna put this piece down. Alright. And then just apply some more. Give it. I'm gonna lay this stuff flat.
So we're just adding a couple layers of the silk cloth. More the merrier. Hopefully it'll be more sturdy the more we add. We got the first side all raised up.
Now on to the next side.
The next side. It's looking pretty glassy. Looking really good. Hopefully by the time that we're done with this one, this will be dried up and we can start with the resin on the other side. This side's real small.
It's sea glass.
It looks good on this side compared to the other side, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do about 5 to 7 little cloths right on top of there.
We're a little excessive around these parts.
We're not really trying to make it look amazing, but we do want it to have the sturdiness and the support that it needs for whenever he rips off tires this summer at the track, just to make sure it's sturdy and it doesn't continue to break or just cut right in half.
Alright guys, so basically we are at a standstill until this sets, hardens up. We did both sides. It's looking pretty good. Wasn't too hard, not too bad. Probably gonna have to bend this side like this so that it stays in form, but we'll be alright. And once that hardens, it should be back to shape, and we'll be able to do the other side. Hopefully I will have my power steering rack and pinion rebuild kit, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that. Side skirts to come. Yeah, all kinds of cool shit, so. And we've got ducks.
If you want to see this hatch painted, give it a like. For every like, we'll speed up the process by 1 minute.
Yeah, if you guys want to see this hatch here get painted, drop us a like, a subscribe.
Blow Sam off.
Yeah, blow Sam up, get him motivated, because we need this thing painted. We need a drift season as well, but we'll get to that later. So, yeah, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe.
We'll catch you next time.